Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today we are going to play around with an easy fun fold card idea. And this card idea features two die-cut heart shapes. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have two different card ideas I want to share with you that feature a double heart style fun fold card. I'm also going to show you how to use your greeting to create a very simple closure for this card. Now, the cards in this video feature the Endless Love bundle from Stampin Up. So this particular bundle has a stamp set and a coordinating die set. However, keep in mind you can use any heart-shaped die that you have on hand to create the fun fold flaps for this card. So you're going to start with a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch piece of cardstock. So this is going to be the base of the card. Next, you will cut a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock. And so this is where we are going to create our double heart fun fold. So for this card, I used the large die in the Endless Love die set to create these two hearts. I just created them out of pattern paper. So this is the large heart die that I am using. But again, you can use any die that you have on hand. And so basically what we want to do is this piece of white cardstock is going to get adhered to the Poppy Parade cardstock in the back here. But before we do that, what we want to do is we want to line up our heart shapes on the front of this card, because your hearts will become the front of the card. It's going to be the part that opens up, the fun fold. So you want to line these up so that they overlap, and we're just going to move them around a little bit. So this is where I am going to position the hearts on my card. So as you can see, the hearts are hanging off of each side of the card. So I'm just going to draw a little pencil mark here on each side, and I'm going to keep my pencil mark lined up with the white cardstock. So we'll put a little pencil mark on this side. So now what I want to do is find my pencil marks that I made on these little hearts, and I want to score them. So I want to line up the pencil marks in the groove of my paper trimmer. And I'm just going to use the scoring tool on my paper trimmer just to add that little score line. And so this will be our little score line for this side. And then we'll take the other heart and we will flip it around because the pencil marks are right here. And we'll line those pencil marks up in the groove. And then we will just add our score line. So we have the score line on the side. Okay, so once you have added your score lines to these little hearts, you can just fold these over. And these are going to get adhered behind this white piece of cardstock. So we're going to adhere this one on the top. And this part here is just going to get folded behind this white piece of cardstock. And then this one will get adhered to the right side. So one will get adhered to the left, one will get adhered to the right, and that's what will create your fun fold with these hearts. So I'm just going to move these around and give myself the best position here. And I think that is how I want the hearts. So just hang on to the hearts, flip your piece of cardstock over, and you're just going to add some tape on the side just to hold this in place. And we're going to do the same thing over here on this side. We're going to add some tape on the back here. We'll fold that over. And so this is what we have for our hearts. So now once you have those adhered, you can go ahead and adhere this entire piece to your card front. So I'm actually just going to use some liquid glue for this part, and we'll just add some glue all over these pieces. And then we will add this to our card front. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple to add these two little hearts to create this front flap for your fun fold card. So now we can go ahead and decorate it, and I'm going to show you how to create this little interlocking piece here so that you can tuck this heart underneath this greeting and the card will stay closed. Because as you can see right now, the card doesn't really stay closed on its own. All right, so let's go ahead and create our greeting. I just have a 1/2 inch wide scrap piece of white cardstock, and I'm just going to use some black ink, and we're going to add a greeting right to this white cardstock. And then we are going to just dovetail one end of this greeting. So I'm just going to snip this off here. And then we'll just put a little cut up the center, and then we'll just dovetail the end of this greeting. All right, so once you have your greeting created, you basically want to align it so that it overlaps this bottom heart a little bit, but we're going to secure it to this top heart. So I'm going to use some little dimensionals, some little mini dimensionals, and I'll use a couple of big dimensionals as well. So let's add a little mini dimensional. We're going to add one right about there. And then we're going to go right over here and add some additional dimensionals. So let's add one. I'm going to add a larger one there, and then I'll add a smaller one right next to it. So basically you want to make sure that you don't add your dimensionals to this particular heart. So we'll take these off, and then we'll go ahead and add our greeting right over the top. All right, so that's how you create the closure. And so basically now you can take this heart and you can tuck it in there, and you can easily just pull it out to open the card. So it's just a very simple way to create a nice little closure, and it's a great way to use your greeting too. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish decorating the card. So the next thing I did is I just cut a smaller heart shape out of white cardstock, and I embossed it with the Hearts of Love 3D embossing folder. I just added some dimensionals to the back, and then I'm going to put this right on the front here. This will just kind of break up some of that color. And then I cut out one of the little arrows using one of the dies from the Endless Love die set. And I'm going to cut it in half and adhere half to each side of this heart. So we'll kind of line it up where we want it. And then we'll go ahead and adhere this. The next thing I did is just use some of these loose Valentines. There's just a variety of different things in here that you can use to decorate your cards. And I'm just going to use some of these little letters. They have a little cute little heart shape in the middle. So we're going to put these little envelopes on here. And then I'm going to use one of the pink hearts in the center. Now these loose embellishments do not have adhesive on them, so you do have to use some liquid glue. And I'm using this Take Your Pick tool. And you just add a little dab of glue, and then you add your embellishment. And you do the same thing with these little envelopes that have the heart on them. Just a little dab of glue, and then push these down. And the last one we'll put over here. All right, so that's what our card looks like from the front. So let's go ahead and decorate the inside. So for the inside of the card, I'm just going to stamp this large word that says love. So I'm going to ink it up. and stamp it right in the middle. All right, so that's all there is to it. Our card says, "Sending you love." So it's just a really neat way that you can use these heart shapes to create a unique fun fold card. So you've already seen this one, and this is the exact same. I created this the exact same way. I simply just changed out the colors on this card and some of the design just to get a little different look. But the concept for creating it is exactly the same. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a fun way to use your heart shapes to create a very simple fun fold card. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.